much. Baby, if it's so deep, just tell me. Am I doing too much? Baby, if it's so deep, just tell me. If it's so deep, just tell me.
Why is it so hard to keep it real? And why don't you just tell me what you feel? Oh, I wanna hold me, love a friend, someone who's genuine. So if you didn't love me, baby, why would you pretend? If you knew me back then, you don't know me now. Things are different, and let me show you how. I'm not the same, I've changed, and you feel that pain, I hope you do. And when you do, I'm telling you, that's that pain, that's that pain. Do you feel that pain, that pain? That's that pain, do you feel that pain? I hope you cry, I hope it cross your mind at least once a day. Now I done tried to keep it kosher, keep my petty low. Don't play with me, but I put on a show. I'll wake this whole neighborhood up, I'll make a nigga wish he would've. Love me better, treat me gooder, when all I wanted was forever. You know me back then, you don't know me now. Things are different, and let me show you how. I'm not the same, I've changed, and you gon' feel that pain, I hope you do. And when you do, I'm telling you, that's that pain, that's that pain. Do you feel that pain, that pain? That's that pain, do you feel that pain? I hope you cry, I hope it cross your mind at least once a day. That's that pain, that's that pain. Do you feel that pain, that pain? That's that pain, do you feel that pain? I hope you cry, I hope it cross your mind at least once a day. That's that pain, I hope you feel it, hope it hurt, hope it knocks you off your feet, I hope it puts you in the dirt. Skirt, skirt, standing there on the curb, looking stupid, watching these four Pirellis burn. I hope it hurt, I hope it hurt, over and over again. Pain, pain. 42 on my body, and these feelings get to talking. Let it out of the body, and I know you see me calling, but maybe you're with someone else tonight. I'm not mine. beats for you, I can't resist. Oh, look what.
Yeah, this one for my. Yeah, this one for Big Daddy. He be keeping me happy. He know how to relax me. Calling for you like taxi. I feel safe being nasty. Bet you don't gotta ask me. Got me acting a fool for it. Get it wet like a pool for it. He spend all of his time. I spend all of his time. He know how to He know how to control me. But don't never control me. Cause he know me. It's all about you or whatever I do. I could be a player, but it's not my truth. You need me and I need you. You. If it's on your wrist, then it's on mine too. I could play the part for a nigga like you. You got me and I got you.
And I'm feeling something new I can't explain. And it only beats for you, I can't resist. Oh, look what you did. I was just playing with these niggas, baby. Look what you did. Look what you did. Look what I was just playing with these niggas, baby. Look what you did. Look what you did to me.
Haven't been myself since the day that you went away from me. And I try not to get emotional from the memories we shared. Sometimes I can't help it. God knows that you were special. If you ever loved and lost, then you would know just how it feels. Feels so unreal that you're not here. Hope that I'll see you again. But until then, I'll be missing you. Forever missing you. Don't know what else to do. But dreaming you, reminiscing and missing you. Trying to keep my mind away from thinking about you. Dream about you, thinking about you. Really missing you. Dream about you, thinking about you. Really missing you. Gotta cherish every moment, cause we don't know the last. Never take each other for granted, cause we could lose it all so fast. And even though I lost a friend, God's holding you in his hands. If you ever loved and lost, then you would know just how it feels. Feels so unreal that you're not here with me. I know I will see you again. you, dreaming about you, thinking about you, really missing you, missing you. Dreaming about you, thinking about you, really missing you, missing you. Forever missing you. Don't know what to do. Hey, dreaming you, missing you. Trying to keep my mind away from all day, always. Missing you, missing you. I'm missing you. I'm missing you.
Got me where I'll never be. Where you kiss my lips and leave a legacy. Oh, to live without you, what a tragedy. I can't get enough. I love in my conscience. I don't want another touch without you there. If I'm being honest, I'm falling in love. A taste gets me in places. I'm chasing, I can't erase it. Taste me, boy, and I taste you. That's the way I feel when I'm slipping under.
You're toxic, I'm slipping under. Addicted to you. To know that you're toxic.
Don't hold back, no one do me like that. I'm gone, real bad. Feeling every emotion, big noise. Back to back, it's too good. I'm too attached, one bite of you. The things that it could do. Taste gets me in places. I'm chasing, I can't erase it. Taste me, boy, and I taste you. That's the way I feel when I'm slipping under. I'm slipping under. I'm addicted to you. Don't you know that you're toxic? Just a little taste.
Why don't you stay? You find it slow, you can stay for a little while. You can stay for a little while.
Baby, I see you working hard, wanna let you know I'm proud, let you know that I admire what you do. Don't know if I need to reassure you if my life will be purposeless without you. If I want it, when I ask you, you inspire me to be better. You challenge me for the better. Sit back and let me pour out my love letter. Let me help you. Take off your shoes, untie your shoestrings. Take off your cufflinks. Did you wanna eat food? Let me feed you. Let me run your bath water. Whatever you desire, I'll supply ya. Sing you a song, turn the game on. I'll brush your hair, help you put your do-rag on. Wanna foot rub, want a manicure. Baby, I'm yours, I wanna cater to you, boy. Let me cater to you, 'cause baby, this is your day. Do anything for my man, baby, you know me away. I got your slippers, your dinner, your dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, let me cater to you. Inspire me from the heart, ain't nothing
here for you. Let me cater to you, 'cause you're beautiful. I love the way you are. Fulfill your every desire. Your wish is my command. I wanna cater to my man. Your heart so pure, your love shines through. The darkness will get through. So much of me is you. I wanna cater to my man.
Cater to you. It's your day. Anything for you, man. You blow me away. Slip up dinner, dessert, and so much more. Anything you ever want, me ever see. Inspire me from the heart. Ain't nothing tear us apart. My life in you. To slip up dinner, dessert, and so much more. Anything you want, I wanna cater to you.
When the one that I'm with ain't the one that I want. Don't wanna fight for my love, I wanna unite in front. I'm an alpha and I need an alpha man. Need him to understand there's power in the tongue. So speak to my heart, babe. Speak to the queen in me. Though we might disagree, don't say nothing you don't mean. Know when to walk away, when I'd rather let you stay. Gently put me in my place. Leave when I need some space. Want you to make me forget. Please can you make me forget? I want you to make me forget anything before you. It didn't feel like this. And we already know that we both need to grow. So if we grow apart, it's 'cause that's the path we chose. As long as you keep me safe, I can love you with grace. But it's not a mistake if it's one that you constantly make. So don't break my trust, babe. Love over love, babe. I'm not ashamed to admit that I'm insane for you. I just can't walk away when I know that I'd rather stay. Gently put me in my place. Leave when I need my space. Want you to make me forget. Please can you make me forget? I could hold you down, but it's never the right time. We could change things now, but this isn't the right. It's never the right time. Ooh, 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 never the right. Ooh, 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 ooh. cool, but I'd rather be on you, not the passenger side. You just broke up, you're out and I'm back in with someone new. If we had more time in the same zone, he could have been you. I could hold you down, but it's never the right time. We could change things now, but this isn't the right, it's never the right time. It's never the right time.
I just really want y'all to drop me off to my neighborhood. He just texted me all night, like I'm just ready to go get this down.
Hit back.
You know how I get that liquor in my system. All I got is memories. I hate that you went missing. You know when I'm faded, I start texting pages. I can't stay away, 'cause I'm drunk off love and I can't get off of you. First we fight, then we fuck and make up. Got me coming back to you. All this toxic energy keep getting the best of me. Lovers to enemies, thought that we would always be. Hit your phone in the club, 'cause I'm drunk and the song's about you. Yeah.
You know how I get, put that Henny in my system. One damn shot away from making bad decisions. Thinking should I risk it to take you off that block list, knowing damn well that I don't want them problems.
'Cause I'm drunk off love and I can't get off of you. First we fight, then we fuck and make up. Got me coming back to you. All this toxic energy keep getting the best of me. Lovers to enemies, thought that we would always be. Hit your phone in the club, 'cause I'm drunk and the song's about you. Yeah.
You so fine. I guess that makes me a pyro. With you I see a future. Tell me if I'm psychic or psycho. Oh, I'm about to be starting something. I'm about to be starting something. Came here to enjoy my night, and I'm leaving here with something. I'm about to be starting something, cause I wanna be starting something. I'm not gonna party like the end of the 1900s. 1900s. You so fine. I guess that makes me a pyro. With you I see a future. Tell me if I'm psychic or psycho. Oh, I'm about to be starting something. I'm about to be starting something. Came here to enjoy my night, and I'm leaving here with something. I'm about to be starting something, cause I wanna be starting something. I'm not gonna party like the end of the 1900s. 1900s.
Now I cannot trust you, and I'm forced to let you go. That's what's spreading thin on us too. Hate to see you lose control. Now I must spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-ups. Switching up on everyone who loves you, but that doesn't stop the show. I think you should know that, baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs any attention is you. Don't be so conceited. Hope you learn honesty was the only thing that could keep me from leaving. Baby, you're the reason. You always think the only one who needs any attention is you. Don't be so conceited. Hope you learn honesty was the only thing that could keep me from leaving. I'm left to wonder how I let this go under. I could watch it rain for so long and ain't hit no thunder. Now we let all our Hollywood dreams and then a blunder. I may never see you again. I hate when the summer ends, but it always would. And you'd always be disappointed, cause you're insecure. Missing things you thought you wanted, like you thought you could. Just get further with frontin', and if Hollywood is home now, it's just a house that is haunted, where I spend all my time thinking of all your lies and cover-up. You're switching up on everyone who loves you, but that doesn't stop my show. And I think you should know that, baby, you're the reason. You always think the only
let's get started. Me and my kid pulled up with 2 Barbies. Sipping on brown tonight, my cup Charlie. Catch some soft tonight, I'm a Harley. I give it to you straight. Hold the cap, whole lot to say, I'm holding back. I've been out the way, but guess who back? Once I crack the safe, your soul is snatched. You know, not them, I'm too trim. Creme de la creme, just accept it, I'm him. When I shoot shot, all net, not the rim. I'm barred up, I don't even spot in the gym. Wanna see you bust it and bust it again. Yeah, I'm lost in the lust, but a win is a win. I'm just what you need. Might get it from me.
I'm the life of the party. Had you crying in the club when you saw me. On the floor with the lights on me. What you gotta say now? Tell me what you gotta say now. I'm the life of the party. Had you crying in the club when you saw me. On the floor with the lights on me. What you gotta say now? Tell me what you gotta say now. What you gotta say? What you gotta say now? What you gotta say? What you gotta say to me? What you gotta say? What you gotta say now? What you gotta say? Say to me. You wanna fly around the world with a good girl. You had a time, you forget. She's a hood girl. She wanna leave, she gotta go back to her world. So let it go, let it be. You can see that girl ain't love her. That girl ain't. That girl ain't love her. That girl ain't. That girl ain't love her. That girl ain't. That girl ain't love her. That girl. That girl ain't love her.
I ain't no free, but I eat you, mommy. Yo, I want a nasty girl, no PG, mommy. Yeah, free spread, grab that, spread that for me. Yeah, yeah. Let that Fiji fall down on me. Oh, yeah. See the ripples all in the back. Gotta slow down, cause the nookie like crack. Know that she like it like that. When it go down, she can get it right back. Up and up, cause she a bad bitch. Dick her down, she know that I'm a savage. Trenches, boy, you know I ain't average. Call my phone, cause you know that.
Fly around the world with a good girl. You had a time, you forget. She's a hood girl. She wanna leave, she gotta go back to her world. So let it go, let it be. You can see that girl ain't a lover. That girl ain't. That girl ain't a lover. That girl ain't. That girl ain't a lover. That girl ain't. That girl ain't a lover. Just another groupie with me.
night I've been crying. I can't fall asleep. Laying in the bed in my diamonds. I still wear my ring. Can't even picture nobody else. I'm in too much pain. Since you left me all by myself, nothing's the same after you. I'll probably never love again. This kind of heartbreak don't never end. Baby, you ruined me. After you, I know that I'll never love again. This kind of heartbreak don't never end. Baby, you ruined me.
Why you asking about XYZ? Why you worry about who's fucking me? Who's to the right in my SUV? It's none of your beef. Calling my girls to check where I've been. If you needed to know, I drop a pin. Keeping to yourself really ain't nothing. But you can't let me live. You put on a show, 'cause you don't want the world to know that you lost the girl who got it on her own. It'd be good for you to let it go. Let it go, let it go. Ain't none your business. Ain't none your business to know who I'm with or none of my shit. Ain't none your business. Ain't none your business to know who I'm with or none of my shit. None of my shit.
do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about trust me. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about trust me. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about trust me.
Yo, I stroll in the club with my hat down, Michael Jack style, high stepping, who the Mac now? Not my fault that they love the kid, might be the chain or the whip, I don't know what it is. We just party and bull. Come on, mommy, put your body in motion, you got it open. You came here with the heart to cheat, so you need to sing the song with me. All my ladies, come on.
Look in your eyes is what's stopping me. I want the thought you would back, come rock with me. Don't want your stacks, I got your back. Won't cut them no slack, cause we on it like that. Come on, and put it on me.
Put it on you, girl.
On me.
I'ma put it on you, girl.
What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about trust me. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about trust me. To do is get in my way, then blame you.
want this persuasion. And I'm looking right back at him like I want some of that decision tonight. Tonight. He asked if he could grab all of my absolutely. I'm in no opposition, so I'm gonna sit on that decision tonight.
Yeah. Word up. Yeah, she talk slick, I suppose, right up until I right on the nose, she tryna facilitate this night on Rose. It's a go, go, go. Gave her the disclaimer, don't fall in love. She gave me that persuasion, not for high on drugs. I'm finna take her somewhere till these hoes don't come. It ain't no after party, just me and shawty.
He's staring at me like he want this persuasion. And I'm looking right back at him like I want some of that decision tonight.
Before you pop the Migos, next thing we know, press my body on yours, made me so comfortable. Oh, we ended up on the floor. I might give you a show if you can play a role. I don't come easy, gotta please me, please don't leave me feeling for more, feeling for more. Don't hold back if I let you inside. Make it last, make it worth my time. Watch me pay attention. Thought that I should mention. Better be ready for it, better be capable. You'll feel it all in my kiss when I'm on it. We could go on and on. We could go on and on until the early morning. We can go back and forth. I hope you're down for this, cause once I'm on it, we could go on and on. We could go on and on. First things first. Don't talk, just be about it. Oh, lock the door, phone on silent. It's a job, you on the clock. I hope you came in here ready to put in work. Don't hold back if I let you inside. Make it last, make it worth my time. Watch me pay attention. Thought that I should mention. Better be ready for it, better be capable. Oh, you're capable, baby. When I'm on it, we could go on and on. We could go on and on and on and on. Till the early morning, we can go back and forth. I hope you're down for this. Until the early morning, we can go on. We can go on and on. You love it how I move you love it how I touch you, my one. When all is said and done, you believe God is a woman. And I feel it after midnight, a feeling that you can't fight, my one. It lingers when we're done. You believe God